Today we are tackling an absolute nightmare of a bug inside the Microsoft Clipchamp video editing platform, which is the notorious and deeply annoying URI Malformed error message. This specific glitch typically manifests as a sudden pop-up banner across your editing workspace informing you that Clipchamp has stopped responding and advising you to refresh your browser page or go back to the home dashboard and reopen your project file from scratch. If you are watching this video, chances are you have already tried that basic advice multiple times and discovered that refreshing the browser tab or restarting the Windows desktop application does absolutely nothing to resolve the core underlying issue. Many tutorials and support forums across the internet will confidently tell you that this error is caused by a bad string of text or an invalid character hidden inside the names of your imported video clips, audio tracks, or image assets. They will tell you to comb through your entire computer storage drive to find files containing percentage signs, hashtags, dollar symbols, brackets, or semicolons, and rename them to pure alphanumeric text before trying to load them back into the timeline. However, as I demonstrate directly on my screen right now, that widespread advice frequently fails to fix the issue. In this project, I went ahead and meticulously scrubbed every single special character and percentage sign out of my video titles, cleaned up the local file directories, and attempted to run the media export process once more, yet the exact same URI malformed error immediately popped up and blocked my progress. This proves that the problem often lives deeper within the internal database architecture of Clipchamp's local project tracking cache, meaning that simply modifying your local file names will not save your timeline from being locked up because the standard troubleshooting methodologies fail so completely. We are going to use a brilliant cloud-based migration trick that bypasses the broken local file path logic entirely. To initiate this process, direct your attention to the top left area of your Clipchamp editing interface, right next to where your main video project title is typed out. You will notice a small icon shaped like a cloud, which represents the built-in Clipchamp cloud backup utility that many editors completely overlook. Click on that cloud icon to open up its asset synchronization panel, which allows you to store a mirrored copy of your media files directly on Microsoft's secure servers instead of relying solely on your local computer's file links. Once the menu expands, activate the backup option to begin uploading all the specific video clips, sound effects, voiceovers, and graphic assets associated with this stubborn, UN-exportable project directly to your cloud storage bucket. Monitor the progress indicators closely as Clipchamp systematically processes every individual asset inside your media bin and successfully uploads it to the remote cloud server database. Once every single item has completed its upload sequence and shows a successful cloud sync status, it is time to abandon this corrupted project environment and establish a completely clean workspace. Navigate away from the broken timeline, close out your active editing window, and return to the main Clipchamp home dashboard, or completely relaunch the application if you are utilizing the standalone Windows desktop program. Click on the prominent button to create an entirely fresh, blank video project from scratch so that we can work inside an environment that is completely free of malformed local URI strings and cached browser errors. Now look over at the left-hand side of your brand new editing interface where the large Import Media button is located. Instead of clicking the center of the button like you normally would to browse your local computer folders, click directly on the small downward-pointing arrow symbol situated immediately to the right side of the import text to reveal the advanced drop-down media source menu. From this context menu, locate and select the Cloud Storage option, which connects this new project directly to your personal online asset library. Inside the Cloud Asset Browser window that appears, look through the folder structure to find the exact media files that we just backed up from the broken project a few moments ago. Select every single one of those uploaded video clips, audio tracks, and images by highlighting them all together, and confirm the import action to bring them into your fresh media bin. Because these assets are being pulled down directly from Microsoft's cloud servers, Clipchamp automatically generates entirely new, perfectly formatted, and compliant URI paths for them, completely washing away whatever underlying text corruption was breaking your previous project. Now that your assets are cleanly imported into the new media panel, simply drag and drop them down onto your multitrack timeline grid to quickly rebuild your sequence. Because the original source files are intact and their cloud-based links are pristine, you can now make any necessary final editing adjustments, slice your clips, balance your audio tracks, and apply your transitions without a single error message interrupting your workflow. With the timeline fully restored using cloud-linked assets, navigate directly up to the Export button in the top right corner, select your desired output resolution such as 1080p or 4K, and initiate the rendering process. You will immediately notice that the rendering progress bar moves forward smoothly and finishes completely without encountering the URI Malformed dead end, giving you a perfectly polished video file ready for upload. Outro.